Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning in Life Hacks. This is one of my favorites to show you here today. Do you see this knife? And if I get you in really close, I have rust. I've ran this through the dishwasher a million times, does not come off. I used Dawn dish soap, I've used different scrub pads, and is about ready to just toss this knife because I'm sick of the unsightliness. And then I've remembered an old trick. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take yourself some ketchup. I'll tell you why this works so well at the end. I'm going to squirt that all over the rust stains. Now, generally, people will say that you should leave that on for 30 minutes, but I don't got 30 minutes to wait around and just see what's happening. So we're gonna give it about 5 minutes. Put the ketchup on the rust stain, and then I'm just gonna add a little extra action. You could add some salt. I like adding some baking soda for a little extra grit. We're gonna add that in there. We're gonna set our timer for 5 minutes, come back, watch what happens. All right, it's been a little less than 5 minutes. I got my handy dandy assistant right here, aka my husband, help me out. I'm just gonna grab some paper towel. I'm not even using any sort of sponge to do this, but I wanna get you in really close, make sure that you can see. Actually, well, we'll do it right here. I was gonna lean over the sink to save myself some mess. But let's just do a little bit of rubbing. You saw how bad those rust stains were earlier. Again, 5 minutes, just letting it sit here with a little ketchup, and then I'll show you why this works so well. Can you see it's starting to disappear on there? I don't have hardly anything wrecking the knife, no sort of sponge. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more elbow grease right now. Look at there, my friend. Do you see what has happened? There's just a tiny bit right here. So again, I could go in, I could let the ketchup sit just a little bit longer, but I have tried almost, I think we got it. I've tried almost everything to get these rust stains out. Just a tiny bit right there. Amazing! Just with ketchup and a little bit of baking soda. Okay, why does the ketchup work so well? I'm gonna zoom in here on the back of the ketchup bottle. Can you see our ingredient list? Hopefully it's nice and clear in there. We can see one of the top ingredients is distilled vinegar. So that is one of the main reasons why this ketchup works so effectively on removing rust. Now, I have removed rust in a giant freezer. I did not use ketchup. I simply used baking soda and vinegar, but this is in your kitchen already, so you might as well give it a shot. Let us know in the comments box below if you've used this. Also, click the video on screen now, which is what happens when you rub a lemon on your stove. Give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.